How to replace a 2019 Chevy Colorado 3-button remote battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Let's replace the battery on our Chevy Colorado 3-button remote. For this task here, we will need a flat tip screwdriver, your remote, and a CR2032 battery. If your keyring is attached, you might want to get it taken off because you will need to flip the remote, and when you look straight down, you got to get a flat tip screwdriver in there. Take your flat tip, put it in, and twist the flat tip. You'll pop the corner up, go to the next corner, pop it up. And there you go, your cover's off. You see your battery. You should be able to take your finger, pull in, and it pops out. This is a CR2032 battery. Since this is a new remote, we'll put the battery back in. You notice how I dropped it in like that. Put your finger on the top, pull it down, and push down. Now if you push it down, push it back because you want to get under that lip. To put this back cover on, you have those 3 indentations. Those need to go on first. Squeeze the 2 halves together. Hey, there you go, you just done it. Thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.